Paano if matagal nang namatay si GSIS member? Makukuha pa ba ang kanyang mga GSIS benefits? Answer, based po sa guidelines ni GSIS, may nabasa po tayo, Sir and Ma'am, entitled GSIS reminds members, pensioners, beneficiaries to file benefits on time. Simply said, may deadline po ang pag-file ng mga benefits ng namatay na GSIS member. For example, funeral benefit po na 30,000. May prescriptive period yan or deadline. Dapat i-file po natin yan within 4 years po from death of the member. Opo, within 4 years po. So, very clear po, ma'am ha? Within 4 years. So, kung namatay si Sir 2018, dapat mag-file tayo ng funeral benefits from 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 po. Within 4 years. Pag 2022 na po and onwards, mawala na po yung benefits na yan, na funeral benefits. Sayang din, malaki pa naman, 30,000. On the other hand, yung survivorship benefit under Republic Act 8291, meron ding prescriptive period or deadline. 4 years din, ma'am. Pareho ng funeral benefits. Survivorship benefit under PD 1146, medyo matagal yung filing po or prescriptive period. Ang nakalagay dito po is 10 years. Within 10 years. Alright, so hope na nasagot natin ang question ni ma'am or sir concerning GSIS benefits ng namatay na GSIS member, wherein makuha po ng mga beneficiaries, surviving spouse, dependent children ng namatay na GSIS member. Basta po pasok tayo sa prescriptive period or prescribed period or deadline. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.